what's up? It's a bright sunny Friday morning in Bangalore today and we are heading for the Mandargiri Jain temple, which is a very famous Instagrammable spot 80 kilometers away from Bangalore city. So we started around 12 p.m. Let's see how much time it takes for us to reach there. So catch you later, guys.
Located 80 kilometers away from Bangalore, Mandargiri Hills in Tumkur district is an ideal weekend getaway if you are looking for some adventure along with culture.
When we started from Bangalore, it was a bright sunny day and now it's raining heavily. We don't know whether we will be able to see the temple or not. Let's see what happens.
Mandargiri, also known as Basadi Beta, is a beautiful round hillock that houses a number of Jain temples which are 1000 years old. It's an important pilgrimage center for Jains in Karnataka. You can easily locate Mandargiri on Google Maps. Just look for a right turn that will take you through an arch leading to the hillock. As you enter the temple complex, you will first come across a tall statue of Chandranath Tirthankara. Then there is another small entrance that leads you to the main attraction of this place. Mandargiri is actually famous for this peacock feather fan shaped or pinchy shaped 80 feet tall Guru Mandir. It's a very beautiful temple with bright hues of blue, green and orange on the feather shaped dome. You will find many boards in the temple saying photography is prohibited, but in real it's very much allowed. You can click as many pictures as you want. After exploring the temple complex, you can walk to the hillock and climb the steps to get a beautiful 360-degree view of the nearby villages. There is a lake called Maidala Lake adjacent to the back of the peacock-shaped temple. You can walk your way till the lake or take your vehicles along. I recommend taking vehicles because the place near the lake is really lonely and many stray dogs inhabit the place.
Hey guys, so now we are returning. We had a really great time at Mandargiri and the rains just added to the beauty of the place. We have clicked some really great pictures which we shall be sharing soon. Bye!